the wild European Carpathian forest, the World Heritage Amazon rainforest, Finland's forest economy, the tropical rainforest of Sumatra, and many other forest regions in the world have two things in common. They play a critical role in the local and national economies, and they have been dreadfully managed and plundered over the course of human civilization. Over the last few years, researchers at Vernaca Tree Leaf have been busy developing virtual and augmented reality applications to increase awareness of the problems faced by local and global forest industries and providing virtual reality solutions for teaching and learning in forestry.
The aim is to exploit artificial intelligence for implementation of augmented and virtual reality tools in forestry, addressing three different yet complementary application areas: teaching, learning, and environmental awareness.
The underlying developments are part of the EU Horizon 2020 X2 Learn sub-project, X-Alfy. At technical level, the envisaged developments are underpinned by artificial intelligence technology. Three main applications have been developed for the generation of augmented and virtual reality content. An AI-based tool to automatically generate high-resolution images of real forest environments, suitable for the creation of 360 degrees panorama shots and VR simulations. An AI-based tool for the generation of fictive, virtual content, simulating the process of decay or the effect of catastrophic fires in a given forest landscape. Or for simulating forest regeneration for teaching and training. An AI-based tool for automated classification of tree species. Complementing these tools, a mobile application for data gathering and testing, as well as for showcasing the addressed educational and awareness functionality has been implemented. The mobile application is being released under the trade name Wood. It enables easy capturing and sharing of low-resolution pictures and short clips of forest landscapes, trees and leaves. The aim is to exploit the pervasiveness of handheld devices for the crowdsourcing of low-resolution visual content in forestry. Wood will be also used to showcase the capabilities of the developed tools for the generation of virtual and augmented visual content. Hence, Wood provides the front-end features needed to demonstrate the capabilities of the implemented tools. Today, AI-based generation of augmented reality and virtual reality content can be produced directly on the mobile device of Daniel, a student of forestry and environmental sciences in the UK, who has agreed to show us how to use the Wood mobile application from the comfort of his cozy living room in Rochester.
After downloading the app, it's very straightforward to use. A simple login process enables access to the user-friendly interface of the app. One can navigate the different functionality or immediately start generating new virtual reality content. For this, I just need to take a picture of any tree or forest landscape. For instance, I can use this forest image that my little sister sent to me. The app automatically uploads the picture and generates a short video clip simulating the process of decay or the effect of catastrophic fires in the captured landscape. I can also request the generation of a short video clip showing the process of reforestation or landscape regeneration. This is a very useful function since it gives me an appealing, highly realistic visual description that I and other students can use in educational regeneration lessons, helping to illustrate potential views of a fire-devastated landscape after its regeneration.
The X-Alfy vision is shared by the Technical University of Zvolen in Slovakia as the only European higher education institution, with exclusive focus on research areas related to the forestry industry. The Technical University of Zvolen in Slovakia is also a partner in the X-Alfy project. It has been providing feedback to the application developers with respect of needs and wants of academics working in teaching and training of future forestry professionals. Well below the crowded skies of extended reality developments, the X-Alfy project is providing solutions that have the potential to greatly impact the future of forestry and, more critically, to shape the foundations of people's perception of trees and forests as key aspect of environmental protection and first line of defense in the fight against global warming.